Starting this video off a little early in the morning. It's 2:30. So we decided we're gonna take out the boat and we're gonna sleep at the island. This is gonna be our first time sleeping on the boat, or at least trying to rest a little bit. We just launched out of Watson Island. It's currently high tide. So let's go. So I rigged up the speakers, so hopefully I don't be getting copyrighted. Project Speedboat has officially been turned into camper houseboat. Here's our bed. We got pillows, a blanket, good views. When I designed the boat, I put quick release seats on the two front seats so they'll be easy to remove, knowing that one day I'm gonna want to sleep here. It's nice and fresh night. Carpet is nice and comfortable. We got some comfy pillows. So I'll see you when the sun comes up. I got a little chilly. You guys can't tell, but pretty morning. Last night was fun. Slept well. This is the first time we sleep on a checkmate. This is something that we've been talking about since we first bought the boat. Is sleeping on the boat at the island, and we just did it. It was actually pretty comfortable. We just need a few more pillows, and it's surprisingly cold this morning. At least for Miami, it's cold. I don't know. It's like 65, 70 maybe. Yeah, you see, weather's not really looking too nice on certain areas. Oh shit. So I hate to say this, but it's always something. Engine's having a misfiring issue right now. I went back to the island trying to figure it out. Can't figure it out. Super boggish. It could be fuel related actually. We're going back to her truck and we're calling it a day. She ran perfect last night. So it's super weird that this morning something happened. I don't know. But she's just cold. No, I think she's pretty warm now. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Yes, the boat is registered, the trailer's registered, the truck is still not registered, but we're getting on that. Thank you for always watching my videos and commenting what you think. Bye.